What is going on, Ben Nation? I know you're asking the question. Yesterday, Bleeves appears on the BitBoy crypto show, and Bencoin immediately pumps about 20%. Is that because Bleeves went on the BitBoy crypto show? Well, of course not. Of course it wasn't that. It was never about me. But seriously, guys, we had a nice little pump yesterday. We had a relief rally. It does seem to be continuing right now. It does look like the charts are continuing to make that move. So hopefully, we're going to continue to see a little bit more upside. Now, remember, there's not going to be major announcements or anything until we get to the point where we're getting to V2. September 16 is when it all unlocks, and that's when we're really going to see that V2. So we're going to look at the charts. We're going to check out price action, and then we're going to talk about that just a little bit. So as you can see right here, a little bit of a breakout. I do think that there's the more downside to it. I don't think that this is a big breakout. We did not get to some of the levels that I was giving you, so that kind of petered out just a little bit here. 36.74 brought itself back down. Now, if we use this area, this range that we're in as support, then we could probably have a nice little bounce, get back into where I told you guys, I think that the maximum bounce is going to be 45.19. It's an estimate, obviously a guess, but we sure like to see that. Provides a little bit of a relief rally, gets everybody feeling a little bit better about crypto, and gets a little more eyes on the prize, if you will. But again, anything that happens right now won't come with a catalyst, so there's going to be a move back down to the downside commensurate with it. Now, the good part, the good piece of everything is the crypto market is currently starting to dump yet again. And if the crypto market is starting to dump yet again, then it is entirely possible that we see Ben become a quote unquote store value for just a little while. Not a long term, but for a little while. We do tend to run contrary to market conditions. Over here on Ethereum, you're really kind of seeing the same thing. Seems like we found a little level of support for a bounce happening right around this area. So 3,400 seems to be a stopping spot. Now, we're not seeing the wicking that we would like to see for an upward sort of move. We're still seeing a little bit of wicking on the top, which would mean that there's pressure to come down. So looking at that, we're watching that. But the volume is up 75% on the day to 1.22 million. I did speak with BitBoy last night. He jokingly did call it the Bleeves effect. I assure you, it's not the Bleeves effect. But little interest, a little enthusiasm, and to help along with that, the Duchess of DeFi herself, Cassandra Wolf, just strolled into Rare Evo in Denver. Ben is in the building, having a nice little pump. Hopefully, we'll start to see a little more coming out about Ben over the next couple days at Rare Evo. A lot of conversations I'm thinking are going to be happening. As you guys know from the live stream yesterday, Ben is on his way there as well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment. Make sure that you leave that comment and hit that like button on the way. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very